Here's a real easy way to use your clothes dryer circuit to operate your amplifiers and anything else that runs on 240 volts in your shack without giving up using the clothes dryer. Very simple. Just get a dryer cord and wire it into a box with a circuit breaker. You can see how the dryer cord comes into the source side of the breaker and then parallels over to the dryer outlet. And I used little rubber pieces of rubber hose to insulate where it goes through the holes in the box. And then that's a 20 amp breaker to fuse down to 20 amps for your 240 volt devices in your shack. And the load side of the breaker simply goes to a 240 volt duplex outlet. Note this is a 20 amp 240 volt outlet. Notice the difference in the sockets. That's a 240 volt 20 amp outlet. And simply just unplug your dryer, plug into the dryer outlet, plug your dryer into this outlet, plug your amplifier and anything else in the shack that runs on 240 into that outlet, and there you go. I prefer to run everything on 240 in the shack. The only thing I'll have in this shack is one power supply to run all the 12 volt devices. Every radio, everything in the shack runs on 12 volts, and another outlet for the amplifier. It greatly reduces the potential for lightning damage. It does not eliminate it, of course. Nothing can eliminate the possibility, but anything that'll help is worth the try. And here it is, buttoned up and ready to go.